Hello class, for today we will draw three-dimensional figures using one-point perspective method. So these are the materials we will be using today, which are a pencil, eraser, a ruler, and a blank sheet of paper. Okay, so we will start by lightly drawing a horizontal line from one side of the paper to the other. Okay. The line doesn't have to be exactly in the middle. You can place it anywhere as long as it stays horizontal. So I'm gonna just place it here. And lightly. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, so this line is known as the horizon line. So this is an imaginary line that is level with the viewer's eyes. Okay. So now we will draw a black dot somewhere in the horizon line. Okay. Here we go. So this dot is also it's called the vanishing point. So this is an imaginary point in which it's directly in front of the viewer's eyes. Okay. So now our next step is to draw a 3x3 square somewhere underneath the horizon line. Okay, for our next step, we will then lightly draw the lines of all four corners of the square to the vanishing point. So we're gonna connect um a corner to the vanishing point, and this line it's called the construction line. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for all four corners. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be looking. Okay, and now we are going to draw lines that correspond to the sides of the square. So we're going to draw a parallel line to this one. It's going to be around here. Okay, and now we're going to do the same, but now for the horizontal line. Okay. Now we're going to retouch the sizes so it can look darker.
So eraser to erase the marks that are not necessary.
Okay, and this is how it's supposed to be looking. Okay, now we're going, as you can see, the object that appears below the horizon line appears as if we're looking down on them. So we can only see the top of it, but not really the bottom side of it. So then we will draw a triangle somewhere above the horizon line. So just to see the difference between doing it on top of the horizon line and doing it on the bottom of it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to connect each corner to the vanishing point. Okay, and we're going to draw another line parallel to this one, just to create dimension. And we're going to do the same here. Okay, so once it's done, you can see that objects above the horizon line appear as if we're looking up at them, because we only see the base of the pyramid. We don't really see the top. So there's that. And now we're going to do another object on the horizon line. So we're going to do a rectangle. Okay, now let's connect all four corners to the vanishing point. And so the only visible part is this. So we're going to draw a parallel line next to this side, which is this one. Okay, and then we're going to erase the unnecessary markings. So now we're going to erase the unnecessary markings. Okay, and once we're done with it, you will take out your creative side by getting your crayons and coloring your work of art. So this is how it's supposed to look like. It's better.